Hi guys, it's Sadia and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to share 5 easy, healthy breakfast recipes which you can also try, and trust me, these are very easy. So even if you are a beginner, you can also try cooking these. And yes, I hope you all like the video. So the first recipe that I will be sharing today is going to be moong corn salad. So first I will take sprouted moong, add some onions to it, some tomatoes, and the quantity of these vegetables is going to be as per your choice. You can put as much as you want to. And then I will put some corn, boiled corn, everything as per your choice. And then I will put some salt on top of it for taste, and then some red chili powder, and all the ingredients I will mention in the description box, so do not worry. And I will also put some lemon on top of it. Lemon is the main ingredient over here, so do not forget that. It will give a nice tangy taste. And on top of that I will put coriander. Coriander is my favorite. So yes, this is the first recipe. This is definitely one of my go-to healthy morning breakfast recipes. It's really very easy. All you need is some veggies. So do try it out. The next recipe is green smoothie. So for this I will put 1 banana and handful of spinach and some yogurt. 1 cup yogurt, and instead of yogurt you can also use milk, and I will put it in the blender and blend it. And you can also add a little sugar if you want to, sugar or honey, but I did not add any of it. And yes, the easy smoothie is ready. It's absolutely easy and yummy. Don't go by the color, it might look green and not look so beautiful, but trust me, the taste is pretty sweet and good. So the next recipe is vermicelli. Vermicelli, you can also call it sevaiya. So for this, first I will put some oil, and to that I will add some rye mustard seeds and some curry leaves, and then I will add some onion to it. All the ingredients will be mentioned in the description box, so do not worry about that. And then 2 chilies, and then some tomatoes, 1 tomato, and then I will add some salt on top of it, and then stir it a bit. Then put the lid on for 2 minutes, and after that add 1 cup of water. After 1 or 2 minutes, add the vermicelli to it. Stir it a bit and then put the lid on. So the next recipe is oats chila. So for this I will take 1 cup of oats, and then I will add 1 cup of water to it. lid on for 15 minutes and I will let it set for 15 minutes. Then I will add one finely chopped onion to it. Actually, it's not me, my mom is helping me out. My mom is helping me cook this. Then I will add a little bit of capsicum to it and one chopped tomato and two finely chopped chilies. And lots of coriander. Now it's time for all the spices. So 1 teaspoon cumin powder, that is jeera powder, and then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Actually, as per your choice, if you like spicy food you can add even more. And then some turmeric for color and some salt as per your taste. Then 1/3 cup of besan, and then we'll mix it with water and we'll try to make a paste out of it. Then we'll add half a lemon to it. Do not forget the lemon because it gives a really nice taste to it. And then on our heated pan we will put some oil and then we'll put the batter on top of it and then we'll cook the chila, and that's how our oats chila will be ready. Trust me, it is very tasty and also super healthy because we are using oats and so many vegetables. So the last breakfast idea that I will be sharing is a fruit bowl. So I'm gonna cut all the fruits that are available at my house and put all of them in a bowl and also add some dry fruits to it, and that's it. That's pretty much it. And that is it for today's video, and I really hope you all liked the video. And yes, these are my go-to breakfast recipes. I really hope you all liked it. And yes, if you have some of your recipes, your easy breakfast recipes, let me know in the comment section below. I will try to cook them as well. And yes, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.